Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to resize the window of Three.js or how we can adjust the canvas in Three.js. Like in a Blender, you see this is the screen, this is the complete viewport, and it's have one grid. When we resize the Blender, it's automatically readjust. तो ये चीज़ हम Three.js में कैसे करेंगे? Okay, so first of all, this is the web install. So if you have a Visual Studio Code, I have already created a video about it, how we can install Webpack and White.js and set up the Three.js environment. Please watch my previous video if you want to set the Visual Studio Code environment with Three.js. Now I'm going to add canvas class WebGL canvas. Okay, so I have added a class. Now I have imported 3 from 3 library. So सबसे पहले हम लोग, प्लीज़ फोकस गाइस, बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है इस ट्यूटोरियल में आपको. So first of all, let's create a scene. Scene is equal to new 3 dot scene. We need object, we need camera, we need renderer. Okay, now after that animate function. So let's start project npm run tab. Refresh. Okay, so project is started. Now check our scene is successfully created or not. Okay, it's created. We got all the classes and the things. Now I'm going to add a grid. Okay, at here. So first of all, sizes, const sizes. I'm going to create objects, width 800, height 600. Okay, now let's add a grid. Const grid is equal to new 3 dot grid helper. Inside grid helper have these property like sizes, divisions, and the 2 color. 10. Okay, now let's add this grid in the scene. So scene dot add grid. Now let's create an object. Const cube 3 dot mesh. Inside the mesh, I'm going to create basic material, color, red, and box geometry with the size 1 1 1. Okay, I have changed the position. So first of all we need a box geometry and then the basic mesh material. Now let's add, before adding this cube we will add one group. Inside group we will add this mesh. Let's add this group in the scene dot add group. Now let's add this cube in the add this cube in the group. So group dot add cube, and at here is a camera, const camera is equal to new 3 dot perspective camera 75, sizes dot width, sizes dot height 0.1 1000, const dot scene dot add camera, or group dot add camera. Okay, now let's add a renderer. Before adding a render we have a class, so we will use a query selector, const FGL canvas is equal to document dot query selector FGL class render equal to new dot FGL render canvas GL canvas and aliasing true. Canvas dot ideal is not a function. Query selector. Okay, I have select query selector all, so at here is the query selector. Okay, we have to use a query selector. So after that let's animate window request animation frame, animate and render dot render scene camera. Okay, so this one is now added. Camera position, camera dot position dot c, and we have to update renderer dot pixel ratio dot device pixel ratio, render dot set size, size dot width, size dot height. Okay, so it's updated and added. Group dot add in the scene dot add group. Mesh basic material 3 dot mesh box geometry 111 mesh basic material camera position dot y 1. Okay, so right here by mistake I added a comma, so I just removed it and clean it. Okay, so let's remove this one. Okay, so our scene is now ready. When we resize it, then it's nothing update. So how we can fix that? So first of all, we have to add event listener at here. Okay, so events window dot add event listener resize. Console dot always check log resize the window. Okay, let's check. If I resize it, then message will come at here. Okay, so now the listener working. So हमारा listener काम कर रहा है. Now add and update the frame size, but first we have to update the width. So window dot inner width and window dot inner height. At here size dot width is equal to window dot inner width and size dot height window dot inner height. And now we have to update a camera aspect. Camera dot aspect ratio is equal to sizes dot width, sizes dot width and size dot height. Okay, now let's check. It's not working anymore, but our sizes fill the whole screen. Whatever size is, if I reload it, then it's filled it, but it's not update on a real time. So how we can fix that? So now I'm going to update the projection matrix of this camera. Camera dot update projection matrix. Okay, now let's check. It's not updated, but you see the cube size is stretch when we change the viewport size. Now how to fix that? We have to update our render. We have to update our render dot size, and we have to update our set pixel ratio. So renderer dot set size dot size width size dot height and renderer dot set pixel ratio window dot device pixel ratio. Now let's check. Yes, it's updated now. You see, whatever the size, it's completely filled. Now our YouTube size now going to update. Now, like if I double click on this canvas, so how we can like right now, if I change the viewport size by the the browser title bar, if I double click it, then it's maximize and it's minimize. Sorry, it's a restore. So this is the restore size. So how we can update? By double clicking on this canvas and then update to the maximize size. So we have to add one more events, dbl double click, dbl click. Now let's update the things. First let's check it's working or not working. Double click, okay, double click, okay, refresh it. If I double click anywhere in the canvas, then it show the message. That means our listener is working. Now let's add the statement. We have to add if statement document dot full screen element, document dot full screen element. We have to update the canvas, means this canvas, the selected class. So copy that name and paste it dot request full screen. Okay, request full screen dot catch error console.log error failed to request full size. Okay, double click. Okay, it's now completely maximize. Backspace. If I again double click it, so then it go back to the restore size. Document exit full screen dot catch error, or we can change that variable name like report error. Now log console.log fail to double click, maximize, again double click, just go back to the normal screen. It's maximize, exit, full screen, exit full screen. So this is it, and this is also on a live update. We can easily readjust of this layout. So basically this is it, and how we can readjust. So I just let me review this code. सबसे पहले हमने एक सीन बनाया, उसमें हमने साइजेस दिए विड्थ और हाइट, उसको विंडो डॉट इनर हाइट के साथ। उसके बाद हमने एक ग्रिड बनाया, ग्रिड में हमने 10x10 का ग्रिड रखा है यहाँ पे, और उसमें कलर दे दिया हमने XY में। ग्रुप बनाया, ग्रुप को उस सीन में ऐड किया है। फिर अगेन हमने एक क्यूब बनाया, मैश यूज़ किया, उसमें बॉक्स और मटेरियल और रेड कलर हमने फिल किया और उस क्यूब को उस ग्रुप में ऐड किया। उसके बाद हमने एक कैमरा बनाया, उस कैमरे का हमने FOV एस्पेक्ट रेशियो और नियर क्लिप फार क्लिप हमने चेंज करके और उस कैमरे को भी ग्रुप में ऐड किया। उसके बाद हमने एक रेंडर लिया, WebGL रेंडर, और इसमें हमने क्लास को सेलेक्ट किया है डॉक्यूमेंट क्वेरी सेलेक्टर के थ्रू, और at here we can add one more property, alpha true. You see, this is the transparent. Now back color is go out. If we change the color at here, something dark color, you see. So alpha command is only used for WebGL render. Change the default black color to so thank you guys. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and please hit the bell icon. Thank you.